Hello and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make money with affiliate marketing for beginners in 2021 and beyond. That is the focus of this channel. I'm going to be teaching you so many different strategies, but a lot of you ask, how do I get started as a beginner? How do you actually really make money as an affiliate marketer? You got me showing all this, these stats, the income proof that I'm making on multiple platforms. So it's not just me making money on Warrior Plus. If you look at my last video, I showed you the almost $3,000 a month that I'm making on a Warrior Plus, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how I'm making thousands on another platform. I'm just going to keep showing you how this stuff actually works. If you actually believe that it can work, you learn the skills, and then most importantly, you actually practice what you're learning. You're not going to be amazing at it at first, right? You're not going to have a whole lot of traffic probably. I don't recommend throwing hundreds or thousands of dollars in paid advertising, because that's just probably not going to work, especially if you're a beginner. And I'm making quite a bit of money per month, and I'm not even doing a whole lot of paid advertising, and that's not where the bulk of my earnings come from. I hardly do any paid traffic. It's all from free traffic. You've got to build it up. You've got to work hard, and you can make this happen. So I guess one of the rules to affiliate marketing, I should just type out right here, is that you have to be motivated and willing to put in the work. There's no push button miracle method. You're not going to just push a button and then make money. You've actually got to go out. You've got to have half a brain, research the market, find good products, find a market that you can go out and tell them about the product. And then that's when the connection happens. You're referring somebody that doesn't know about the product, that needs the product. And all you're doing is just sending it to them and saying, hey, you can go check this out if you want. It may not be right for your business. It may be exactly what you've been looking for. And when it's that perfect product, or that product that they've been looking for and at the right price, they're going to buy it. And then you get paid, right? That's what affiliate marketing is. Let me show you. So we're going to be talking about one awesome affiliate platform. And this is, like I said, a different platform than you're used to. You may not have ever even heard of this, but a lot of the big name brands use this platform. And then we're going to go over 2 free traffic sources. So I'm going to give you a couple free traffic source options. That's not an extensive list. I mean, there's so many other different ways that you can get traffic and get free organic traffic, but I'm going to just show you 2 of my favorite. And so here we go. So the platform is Impact. If you go to impact.com, you can see right here, Airbnb, Adidas, 1-800-Flowers.com, Uber, McAfee, Walmart, Ticketmaster, Microsoft, Levi's Jeans, Lenovo Computers, and the list goes on of big name brands that are using Impact for their affiliate programs, right? So if you come in through here, this is exactly what it is. If you were a brand like Adidas and you came in here and you're like, I want to launch a really big affiliate program so I can get hundreds of affiliates, even thousands of affiliates, to go out there and market our products so we can make even more sales and make more money. And then we'll pay the affiliates for helping us out. Pretty cool stuff, right? That's how affiliate marketing works. So what people come and do is it's for brands right here. This is where a brand would come and sign up, right? But then there's also for publishers like affiliates, right? We are in affiliate marketing, and we don't want to create the product. We just want to show people great products from another company, and then find people that need that product. And that is when it works really well. So this is where you would want to focus. So you wouldn't need to request a demo. That's really more for the brand. And if you want to launch your product on Impact as an affiliate program. But so really you want to sign up for an account. Now you can come through over here and scroll all the way to the bottom, and it's funny. It's always, at the very, very bottom, and there's this little tiny word right here, affiliate. And most people, I'm sure if you're an affiliate marketer and someone in your family actually asks you what you do for a living, you try to explain it to them, and it goes over their head. It's really fascinating that people just don't know how sales online actually work, and that 95% of the time it's actually an affiliate that's making that you're buying products from, right? You're trying to buy something on Amazon. You go to Google and you actually type something in, like you're looking for some new snow boots. You find a website that has the top 10 snow boots of 2021. You check them out, and then you click on a button. It takes you over to Amazon, and you're already logged into Amazon on your computer because your cookies are saved. Then you push add to cart and you purchase the item. Guess guess what? Somebody, whoever owns that website, is going to get that cookie, and they're going to get a commission. And people just don't know that that is actually what's happening in the background. And really, it's nice because, and they deserve to make the money because they were very helpful in their website and showing you that that was the best snow boot of 2021, right? So that's just an example. So you would just click on affiliate right here, and you're going to go over here and you're going to partner with brands for your audience. That they'll love. Thousands of brands are looking to work with affiliates like you. Find brand partners. So right here, all you're going to do is just click the get started button right here. I've already gone through this process. I've signed up. It's very easy. You're going to fill out your name, all this stuff. You're going to create your account, and then they're going to have to actually manually approve you because this is really real legit stuff. This is not ClickBank, right? I may do some ClickBank tutorials, but I'm pretty sure that it's overkill on the ClickBank stuff. There's hundreds or even thousands of videos on YouTube about how to do ClickBank affiliate marketing. And the cool thing about ClickBank is you're able to do it because it's free and it's easy. You don't have to, there's no waiting period. You can get an affiliate link for any product on the site and then just to go and start promoting it and make money. So that's why ClickBank has been such a big deal. But in this case, this is when you're crossing over to real serious affiliate marketing, where you're really actually having to get really approved. I think you have to fill out a W-9 form, or a W-2 form. Forgot. I always get those two mixed up, but, you have to fill out a form, with the IRS that actually will, so you have to report your earnings, to the IRS because you're going to make money if you do this. So you're going to sign up on Impact, right? I'm already logged into my account and I was going to show you some stats that I've had, right? So this is just some insane stats. I'm inside my dashboard right here, and you can see right here that, that's just the last week. So I'm going to actually come over here and click, and I'm going to go just the last 30 days report, right? So the last 30 days, and we are on clicks. I've had 608 clicks. I've had 101 actions. So that basically means the action can be somebody signed up for something for free or they paid money. This has resulted, and this is crazy. I'm not even getting a large commission. I have made the companies over $8,000 in the last 30 days, and I will, this is still really good money. $1,500 on the platform right here in payouts, right? I can click on the payouts right here, and you can actually see I had my best day. I had made $350 in one day, and that's in pure profit commissions. Let me come in here. I made 100 right there. And then it's been pretty steady. There's 100 right there, 50. It's been very steady with about an average earnings of about $50 a day, I'd say. And then 55 there, and then 57, and then jumped right back up here to $120, and then another $139. And then I had two back-to-back $100 days last week as well. So this is resulting in, an estimated price per click, $2.49. My conversion rate is amazing at 16%. And like I said, $1,500 on this in just 101 actions. Now, you can see all these great products over here. Now, what do you do when you sign up to the product? They're going to tell you about new companies that have signed up with Impact. And so it's a really good dashboard to and then they even have the last 30 days of what success people are having. So you have $1.42 there. So my $2.49 is pretty darn good. So you come up over here and, you guys have seen on this channel, I've done a review on InVideo. Well, InVideo is also partnered with Impact. And so when I make a commission on InVideo, and this is not all InVideo, by the way, I'm not going to reveal the actual companies that I'm making all that, the money with, but it is actual multiple companies and multiple pieces of software. But InVideo is one of them I will reveal. And so you have right here, and then you can just go to the marketplace up here. So you can go to brands, and then you can go find brands, right? When you go to find brands, this is going to open up, and you're going to be able to actually see, they do all the work for you. You can actually, depending on what niche you're in, right? There's so many different categories right here. It's insane. I don't know how many people are on this, how many companies are using this for their affiliate program, but it's got to be hundreds or even over thousands. So you're going to look over here, and you can even go with payout model. So if you're only focusing on, a lot of times I like to focus on, so you have partner referrals and just getting somebody to install an app and getting paid, and you don't even have to. So that's almost CPA, cost per action type marketing, right? So they have that payout model. And I thought before I have looked at this where you can actually sort it by reoccurring commissions, but I like to look at some of the reoccurring commission models as well. But look, you can see Southwest Airlines is an affiliate here. So if you have a travel website, Alaska mileage plan, all kinds of good stuff like tech companies like Belkin, Network Solutions. So you can just come through here. And let's say you have a pet website. You can just click on pets over here, and then companies that have pet products are all right here, and you can actually see. So sign up, you get 20 cents for signups, in-app purchases, 30% if they buy anything from the store. So they're actually giving you 20 cents just for sending someone over there to sign up for an account. So you're getting multiple different actions right here on that one. Up above, single purchase 20% off, and then you have subscription purchases at $60. So they even have a reoccurring subscription type model as well. So you have all these different ones that you can. They even have CBD. I don't know why that's in the pet one, but you can see all these great products right here, right? Then you can go back and you can come up here. There's clothing, there's apps and downloads. We can look over here at apps and downloads. So then you come over here, and then here's like one right here. You could just apply to the Envato market, right? So the Envato market, you can just click on it. It gives you all kinds of different stats and the different sites that they have. So here's all the different ways that you could sell this, because they actually own Theme Forest and Code Canyon and Video Hive and Audio Jungle and Graphic. You guys have probably seen all these, right? So if you go to Theme Forest, if you want to sell themes like WordPress themes, if you have a YouTube channel or a website that actually talks about WordPress or website building, a niche website, this would be a great one, because then you can come over here and all these different themes, all kinds of different themes, and you could even do a review of a theme, right? You could do a review of the latest themes right here. So this one is making sales, or this one has good ratings, 24, Steam it. So you can click on this one and you could actually go and do like a review of this theme, right? And then you could refer people to it. And then if you make a sale, then you would have affiliate commissions that would show up inside your Impact account. So how are you going to go out there? So now you have the model down. This isn't just theory. I mean, I just showed you, I'm making money on this platform. I'm making money on Warrior Plus. I'm making money on several different platforms with affiliate marketing. This works with free traffic. So what are we going to do? Let's go back over. I'm going to show you 2 free traffic sources, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to actually build YouTube videos, and I'm going to do more of that. I'll probably do like an affiliate marketing review type creation video where we can actually do a proper review of a product. But then you can also make videos in different pieces of software. Now Vidnami's gone, but I use Pictory now. Pictory is really close, about 92%. A full replacement for Vidnami. They're just working on some of their audio syncing, but you can still record your own voiceover inside of the system, and then it pretty much is the exact same thing as Vidnami. Pretty dang cool. So I'll drop a link to Pictory right now. They actually do have well, let me just go over there real quick. So here's the site that I'm using. And right now they actually have a lifetime deal at the time of this recording. So I will leave a link below. And if you want to sign up to the lifetime deal, that's cool, because then you're not ever going to have to pay another monthly fee. Eventually this will go away in 1 more week. So I am an affiliate of Pictory, and I have a direct contact with the leadership of Pictory, the creators of Pictory, and they only have their product is on Appsumo right now. Click the link below. You can get it 3-tiered system, but on September 1st, they're going off of Appsumo. And so then you're going to have to pay this price right here. If you don't, you'll have to end up having to pay $19 a month. So we'll actually go to monthly. You'll have to end up paying $29 a month or $59 a month or custom. So you can go over to Appsumo, the link below. So you can go over to Appsumo, and it is a really top selling product, 152 5-star reviews, and click the link below. You can pick this up for a lifetime deal. And look, alternative to Descript, Subtitle, and Vidnami. So it is a Vidnami replacement or alternative, but it does have features in there completely advanced features and things that Vidnami did not do. So it has some really, really good stuff in here. And they have right here, you can look at the tiers. So you can get in you can make 30 videos a month. If you need 30 or less, then you've got that. You've got the licensed tier. You can get in for $59 and so forth. I picked myself up a copy of the $259 because I know that I just don't want to have any limitations. And you can make unlimited videos with it for the tier 3, but the other tiers are fine too. So what are you going to do? So you're going to create your videos, right? And then you're going to go over and post YouTube videos. So you're going to post a YouTube video. So here I am on my Teach Me Money Methods dashboard on the account, right? And you can see that, let's go and find one of my reviews of a product. So we can come down over here. So one that I did recently, when was it? TubeSurf. I did one right here of a product. And it's gotten almost 400 views and it made me about $600. You can go and watch one of my videos. It was either the last video or the video before that, where I kind of go over and show you a little bit of a case study on how I did that. So this is how you can get free traffic. Look at all the views. I'm not even getting that many views, but I do make money from this, right? And so look at all the views that you're getting right over here. You're making, and then some of them blow up and you'll get over 1,000 views. Some of you probably have bigger channels than I do, but it doesn't take a whole lot of views because you are building relationships with people. When you build a YouTube channel, this is great free traffic. So YouTube is definitely my number one. For now, it's always going to be my number one, unless something drastic changes, right? YouTube has definitely been the number one traffic source that I've ever come across in affiliate marketing. The other thing that you can do is you can come over to Quora. I'm just going to go over to Quora stats. You guys probably know what Quora is. And you can see right here the types of things that I answered, right? What are the ways to earn $500 within a month? I've 3 months to make $5,000. How do I do that? They're just simple topics on how to make money online. And then you get, I just get daily traffic to my links, right? So all you're going to do is provide value, answer questions, and then you can put a link. I wouldn't recommend putting in a direct affiliate link, but put a link to either your YouTube channel where you're doing a review of the product, or maybe a blog post where you have a review, something like that, right? So it's not considered spam, and you can go out there and get traffic from Quora. So there's just 2 ways that you can get traffic. You can use social media, you can use all kinds of different sites, but that's what I'm going to recommend in this video. So I hope you learned something of value in this video. I'm teaching real concepts and proof that it actually works and what I'm doing that works. And I'm not just going out and teaching you theory, right? That sounds good and in theory it should work. No, I'm actually doing it and showing you it. So this video was how to make money with affiliate marketing for beginners in 2021. I will see you in the next video.